Okay, now.
Okay, this is to show how to get this wire on these beehive frames so they can support the wax on there. It's real easy. Grab you some wire. I got this from Tractor Supply. You basically just go in through the side on this hole, pull it. You go up here to this top one, pull it. Get you about 2 feet of slack. Are you back far enough to where they can see?
Yeah.
You don't need to get my face, but just pull it through. Once you got it pulled through and you know you got enough slack, go ahead and flatten that out right there so it just lays up against the box. And then put it through up here, just making a basic X. Pull it as tight as you can with your hands. Grab your cutters, cut off the excess, twist it. Grab your pliers, twist it. Twist it a few times. See, that's tight. Okay, and that's going to be your support for your beehive. And that's how you do it.